various constitutional provisions related to environment. Okay, so you have to remember what are the various constitutional provisions that are related to environment. Important thing that you can remember is Article 21. Do you remember Article 21? So what is Article 21? Yes, be louder. Yes, right to life and personal liberty. So under that, Supreme Court, under its judicial pronouncement, it has declared right to clean environment as a fundamental right which comes under the ambit of Article 21. Okay, so that is under this article we have right to clean environment, right to clean environment. So this is one important thing that you have to remember. Can you able to remember that? So that is one thing. And then here when we are talking with respect to this, so we are saying that it can be asked like this: right to clean environment is explicitly mentioned, is an explicit fundamental right. Is this right? Is this true? Yes, it is implicitly mentioned. That means it is implicit under Article 21. So you have to be clear with such kind of things. Okay, so right to clean environment is a part and parcel of Article 21, but it is an implicitly mentioned one because it has been interpreted by the Supreme Court. So likewise you have to remember. So explicit means which is being mentioned outrightly. Likewise, right to life and personal liberty, it is an explicit right, whereas right to clean environment is an implicit right. So you remember that. And then next, is there any provision related to environment with reference to DPSP? DPSP, Directive Principles of State Policy. Yes, Article 48. Yeah, good. So you have to remember Article 48A. So Article 48A, it is related to environment. So it states that the state shall endeavor to protect the environment and promote the various aspects related to environment. So forest, wildlife and all those things state has to protect. So this is one thing. So under DPSP also we have that one. Okay, so that is one right. Okay, you just go through the what is Article 48 so that you remember, but you have to remember this. And then is there anything with respect to fundamental duties? Yes, yes, who can say which fundamental duty is concerned with environment, forest and wildlife? 51A, good. It is fundamental duties under 51A. Yes, yes, it is good. So it is article 51A subclass G. So it is under fundamental duties. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India to protect the environment and to conserve wildlife and forests. So that is one fundamental duty. So these are some of the constitutional provisions. Now we have said that it is an implicit article which has been pronounced by the Supreme Court. So under which judicial pronouncement it has been given. So that is also one another thing that they may pick and they may ask. Like there was a case with reference to thing like Subhash Kumar versus State of Bihar. So there was a case called Subhash Kumar versus State of Bihar. So in that case, versus State of Bihar. So in this case, right to environment has been Supreme Court has pronounced that right to clean environment as a fundamental right under the ambit of Article 21, or right to pollution free environment. So to be precise, right to pollution free environment was the thing that has been announced there. Okay, so that was one thing with respect to the Supreme Court pronouncement. Right to pollution free environment or right to clean environment. So that is one thing. And there was another important judicial pronouncement with reference to environment, one thing. So that was like it is a case related to MC Mehta versus Union of India. So this was a case that was happening in and around 1986 to 1988. In this period, it was happening. It was with reference to the pollution of the Ganga river. So MC Mehta filed a case with reference to pollution of the Ganga river. So in this context of MC Mehta versus Union of India case, so Supreme Court has given another pronouncement that it stipulated to create environmental awareness among all these citizens. Okay, so here you can remember, like, this was related to create environmental awareness.